Yes, so my people, you know it's Flava Media Entertainment TV here in the house. Yes, so first and foremost, big up to my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, also remember to like, share, and drop a comment into the comment section, my people. Yeah, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, and also, my people, remember to subscribe to the channel, my people. Click the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I upload any new contents, my people. So today we're there to talk about the Sparta boss, yeah, the entertainer. Right now, my people, it looks sticky on the entertainer, to tell you the truth, cause right now we all know, say, the artist gets sentenced to 3 years in prison for a gun that the police them take off him waistband, my people. Yeah, but right now, the police them a say, ballistic report show say, the gun where them take off the artist, the entertainer, my people, yeah, it linked to two high profile man from the British link up crew, my people. Yeah, my people. So from I said that you all know what me I talk about. Fowl, yeah. Fowl are one of them man there, and you don't know no other than him friend from also the British link up crew. Oney British, my people. You understand what me I say? And this thing look away. All the police them a set this thing right now like a fight. Them a try fight the artist, cause why are them two high profile man? Them have to find it pan. You understand what I mean? Yeah, this thing look like a setup, like them a try sink the artist career. You see me? Them a try bring down the artist, my people. You don't know. I see him so them fight the teacher. I just told the teacher I fight him things same way. You don't know as well we say freedom for the Gaza boss every day. World boss, the goat. We all know, my people, how the judicial system work already. You understand what I mean? We all know so them shake up. You understand what I mean? And police more time just come out with false news just to sing people. We know say at the end of the day them high profile people they not too like dancehall, my people. Them high profile people they look down upon dancehall away because them say a dancehall a mash up the country and a dancehall a cause the crimes in the country, my people. When at the end of the day the government get their mandate for do them work and for do it, my people. Every man to him own knowledge and every man to him own teaching. You understand? Not because I hear me I say, yo, me I go take up the gun and kill the man. Make you for do it. You understand what I mean, my people? It's not the words and the thing that come out in the music. It's how a man take it. So right now, my people, this is the video. The night Oney British I get murdered, my people. This is the night where them take away the man life, my people. When the man just enjoy himself and go and hold him little vibes, my people. That is also Oney British in the video. Yeah, my people, and me not lie, it look away for your man just come take the man life to start, cause you don't know them man ya at all high profile man. You understand what I mean? At all man where enough people know my people from yard and abroad, my viewers and subscribers, and it look away star and you don't know me feel it for the man them. But right now, I don't like how the police them are deal with the artist case right now, my people. You understand? It come like some setup thing I go on, my people. Just look into it, my people. Oney feels to my people, TommyLee himself did I go walk with a gun, my people, where kill them at home, man, yeah. You understand, my people? Oney believe that John no star. We know the artist no fool, we know the artist wise. You understand what I mean? Because we see the talent. You understand what I mean? And right now this thing looks sticky, my people. And me I want to know how the judicial system say it shake up out here. It just set for one class of people. You don't know ghetto youths. Yeah, you don't know them no regards we. You understand what I mean, my people? And John no star. I just hope the artists can go and hold the faith and push out good music. You understand what I mean? Because as Bob Marley say, you know, when the music hit you, you know, you feel no pain, you know, my people. And so you don't know Sparta boss. You see it? Just go and fight the fight, my brother. The race is not for the swift, it's those who can endure. You understand me, artist, and we don't know, say, yeah, hold on, same way. But you don't know the whole thing, my people. So big up to all of my loyal subscribers. Big up to my viewers. Hope on the subscribe in the future. And you don't know, go and bless up on yourself. And remember, my people, to like and comment. Understand, let me know what you think. Share your views, your thoughts, and share the video. Yeah, because all of them think they help the algorithm. Yeah, so as I said, bless up my people. You know it's Flava Media TV in the house. Yeah, I'm out.
Not just them. Yeah. All when you boast them, can't, you never trust them. Yeah. Sometimes you have to ghost them. Some me can't trust some people no more. Me I tell you for sure, don't leave your shoes out the door. No, can't trust them with you no more. Me I tell you for sure, don't leave your shoes out the door. No.